Hey everybody! Today's video is going to be a little different because I'm entering the world of vlogging. When I say vlogging, I basically just mean a couple minutes where I get to talk about me or something that's going on with me or just random stuff that isn't crafting. So my first video is about my hair care. Since I get so many questions about it, I figured I'd make a video. Because this isn't a hair styling video, it's just about some of the products I use and some things I do to keep my hair as healthy as possible. And it's pretty long. And there's lots of it, so I try to take good care of it to make sure it stays that way. First things first, I just gave myself my bangs back. Check out that video where I tried cutting my own bangs. As you can see, it turned out okay. Spoiler alert. Now, one thing I try to do is to use heat as little as possible, just because it's not that great for my hair. And secondly, it's also a laziness factor. If we're being honest, I'm just really lazy, and it takes a long time to style all of this hair, so I just find a bunch of ways to do that without heat. And this tip is about bangs. My bangs are side swept, and I like to keep them closer to my head. You know, some people have like the big swoop going on, but that's not how I like to rock them. So after I hop out of the shower and my hair is wet, I part out my bangs again while this is still wet, but I just washed my hair this morning, so I'm not doing that again. And then I take a bandana, and then I just put them over my bangs while my bangs are in the spot that I want them to be, and then tie it in place. Now, yes, this looks ridiculous, but you don't need to keep it on all day. This is just while your bangs are drying. See? So now my bangs are going to dry downwards and in the direction I want them. And really, I only need to leave it on until I notice that my bangs are dry. And at that point, it's dried enough in the right direction that I can take it off, and my bangs will be in the right spot for the rest of the day. Again, I just like it because it means I don't have to use any styling tools, and it just looks a little more natural that way, since the rest of my hair I basically usually rock closer to natural. First off is It's a 10. This is a very popular leave-in conditioner, and my stylist suggested it for me after I started getting my hair bleached, and it is magical. So yes, highly suggest. Next up is Miracle 7 Leave-In Keratin Mist. What I'm showing you right now is the keratin shampoo because I ran out of the leave-in conditioner, but it looks exactly the same. I currently wash my hair about once a week. So today it has been a week. On hair washing day, I like to give my ends a little extra love with some coconut oil. So here I just have some generic coconut oil. And I'm going to take, just because I have a lot of hair, I use about this much coconut oil. You really don't need a ton. And I don't even like use it all at once. So take a chunk of it, and then I just warm it up in my hands. And then my hands get all sorts of oily and gross, you can see. And then in little pieces, I just kind of run my hands over my hair with all of the oil on it. So you can see I'm done with this side of my hair, and it looks way different than this half because it has some coconut oil on it, but it's not drenched. You really don't need to drench your hair. You just need to lightly coat your hair. So I'm just going to massage it into the ends of my hair. And notice I'm not doing like my whole head, it's just the ends. And since I have layers, you know, I'm starting more up here than just at the very end. On days when I do this, I just leave my hair in a bun or a braid for the entire day. And yes, I leave it on my ends for the whole day. See, once it's in a braid, you can't even tell. It just looks a little sleeker and smoother. Again, don't drench your hair in the oil, just coat it. Hair picks are amazing for buns and like half up ponytails and things like that in place of hair ties. My first hair picks I got from my husband as a gift, and they were just cool at first, but it turns out they actually made my hair way nicer. Here you can just watch me put it in to see how I do it. It's really hard to explain with words. But the reason I like it better than hair ties is 1, it doesn't leave that weird kink, and 2, it doesn't get my hair all knotty and caught up and stuff like a hair tie can, which just means less breakage. And plus they look really cool. And the double pronged ones are super secure and keep your hair really nice and tight. Now it's time to wrap up this video. Anyway, yeah, start with a silk scarf, fold it in half in a triangle shape. Then you just pile your hair on the top of your head, and then take that long edge of the triangle, put it at the bottom of your head where it connects to your neck, put the middle of the triangle between those two ends, and then tie it all down. Now the reason this is great for when you're sleeping is just because it reduces breakage again, because your hair isn't getting all sorts of everywhere while you're rolling around on the bed while you sleep. It's all staying in place. But then also, cotton can dehydrate your hair, whereas the silk will not. Plus, you can look fabulous while you sleep, and it helps to maintain certain hairstyles overnight. And that's pretty much all I have for you in this video. I don't want to make it too long. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Maybe check out the other videos I have on my channel. Stay tuned for more hair care tips. If you tried any of these guys, please let me know in the comments, because I love to hear that my videos are useful or entertaining. Yeah, so that's it.